Hi, hello. This video is going to come from my bed because I hurt today, so I don't feel like sitting in my chair for like half an hour. But I do need to get this filmed. Sorry if I look gross, I'm just having a day of back pain. If you guys want to know anything about like my conditions, it's all on the channel here anyways, but sorry about the double chin. I'm laying down because I hurt, and I have a heat pad under me. Yeah, so I guess this is a good way to start off the topic for this week's episode because it's natural remedies, which can be used for a lot of stuff. I usually focus on stuff for like pain. But natural remedies are basically they're hard to explain because what's natural, but it's not like anything with like chemicals or alcohol or like an actual like prescribed medication. It's like oils, herbs, tea, that kind of stuff. So like for me, like our family, my grandmother has a recipe for like rub, and it's good for sore throats, colds, chest colds. It's good for rubbing in pain because it has a whole bunch of essential oils in it. That's basically what it is. Then it's good for being a massage oil and all that kind of stuff. That's typically what we use for a lot of stuff. And then for like other stuff, I use a lot of turmeric for pain because it's anti-inflammatory. So I'll put that in like tea or my food. And I use a lot of tea, so like if I'm having like upset stomachs, I'll use like mint tea. Again, the anti-inflammatory with turmeric or something like that. So it's just kind of things like that. Or like when you put green tea in your bath water, or Epsom salts, or essential oils or something like that. I know that lavender has a lot of really anti-anxiety calming properties, and they're also really good for sleep. Some people don't like the smell of lavender. My sister doesn't, but yeah, that's kind of what natural remedies are. You can use stuff for acne. Like I know that lemon juice, salt, and tea tree oil is really good for spot treatment for acne. Yeah, and if you have like a cyst on your eye, which is actually pretty common, like they're just small ones because some people wear makeup and don't get the rest of it off. My sister had one, and she just like held a green tea bag over her eye to just draw everything out. Again, if you guys get like a cut on your finger and you don't want it to get infected, get a band-aid, put some tea tree oil on it and put it on there, and it'll like draw out any infection. Or a sliver, if you want to draw out a sliver and you can't get it out with like tweezers or like pulling it out or anything, you like take the band-aid, put tea tree oil on it, and it'll draw it out. Yeah, that's why it's also good for acne. But yeah, that's what's good for natural remedies. I know that this video is like super fucking short, but I hurt and I just need to get the video out. There's like tons of recipes, tons of channels, tons of Instagrams, Tumblrs, anything about natural remedies, and it's just, they're so easy. Because there's a lot of stuff that you can just find around your home and your house and use a lot of it. Like ginger's really good for upset stomachs, and some stuff's really good for your throat. Like honey's really good for your throat, and so is green tea. Anything that's like for congestion, you can use that. So yeah, I know this video's kind of short and kind of meh, but I hurt. Yeah, so thank you all for watching. I don't know what I'm doing next week, but I'll put it here after this as to what we're doing next week, next Saturday. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next episode. Bye.